Hi everyone! Hi everyone! Hi everyone! Hi everyone!
Hi everyone!
Hi everyone! This is Chika. Welcome back to my channel. Of course, if you're new here, welcome. That is what I actually say during the intros of my YouTube videos. But for today's video, I will introduce myself more because I am finally applying to become one of the K-influencers for this year, 2022. And one of their requirements for this year's application is a self-introduction video. So, let's get into it. Hi there! My name is Cherica Lorenze si padullo. Most people who know me actually call me Chika, but you can call me Chika as well. I am 22 years old and I'm from the Philippines. I started becoming a K-pop fan last 2009. I was 10 years old back then. Even though I couldn't understand the Korean language in those times, I still listened to K-pop and enjoyed watching K-pop music videos. Through the years, I also tried singing and dancing to K-pop songs. Korean dramas were widely spread and became available in the Philippines, so in that time I also started to love Korean dramas. Eventually, I came to appreciate the Korean language, and I had the opportunity to learn the basic Korean language last 2014. Well, until now, I am still learning. I could say that I improved a bit. Going back to K-pop, here's me dancing to Blackpink's Whistle in our family reunion last 2018.
아주 씩씩하게 대로 씩씩하게 so hot 내가 어쩔 줄 모르게 해 마지막에 불러줘 내 바람
And here's me rapping to Min Yoongi's part in Best of Me, which is a song of BTS. I uploaded this video on TikTok.
Take my hand right now 이런 내게 믿기지 않아서 그럼 어쩔 뻔해도 말했었던 말 그대는 나 떠나지 마
Because of my love for the Korean language, I attended several free Korean language classes, and now I am now capable of speaking intermediate Korean. With this, I started creating Korean language related content on TikTok showing my Korean language skills last year. Unexpectedly, I gained hundreds of thousands of followers on TikTok in just 1 year. As of now, this is my most viewed TikTok video, which has 3.7 million views.
Hindi po. 아니요. hindi sabi. 아니라고. hindi, diba?
Also, for me to practice my Korean language skills, I like writing Korean songs. So on TikTok, I also try doing this.
그래, 난 너의 친구야. 맞아, 우리는 그냥 친구야. 아는데 나의 마음이 어떡할 건데 이게 내 잘못이 아니야. 난 너를 반대했지. Yeah, 나도 당황스러웠어. 갑자기 새로운 느낌이 갔어. 내게 상황을 못 알아봤어. 내 심장이 흔들리는데 뭐 어쩌겠어. 나는 때나 뭘 어색하게 웃나봐. 너를 볼 때 나만 생각이 없나봐. 너를 보면 자신감이 없어. 난 강하려고 하는데.
My viewers are Filipinos, and you know how Hallywave is loved in the Philippines. That is why when I started uploading videos of me speaking in Korean on TikTok, many Filipinos started liking my videos. They also started to follow me on TikTok, which is why it led me to YouTube as well. I use my creativity in social media to share my love for the Korean culture and language by making videos. Also, as I do love anything Korea related, I got accepted and appointed last year as one of the Korea.net honorary reporters. Hopefully this year I will be accepted as a K-influencer because I really hope and I really want to share Korean contents as a K-influencer. Oh, as I've mentioned earlier, I can speak intermediate Korean, so would you like to hear my not so fluent Korean language skills? Alright, let's do this. 많이 긴장되는데 한번 도전해보겠습니다. 안녕하세요. 저는 체리카 로렌즈 padullo라고 해요. 근데 많은 사람들이 나한테 치카라고 부르니까 여러분들도 편하게 치카라고 불러도 돼요. 저는 22살이고 필리핀에서 왔어요. 이렇게 동영상에서 소개하고 있는 이유는 K-인플루엔서 되고 싶어요. 왜냐면 많은 한국 문화에 대해서 콘텐츠 만들고 싶고 다양한 이야기를 진짜 해주고 싶어서 K-인플루엔서 역할은 깊은 마음으로 도전해보고 싶어요. 그리고 무엇보다 자신감이 있어요. 사실은 작년에 honorary reporter 지원했거든요. K-인플루엔서도 지원하고 싶었는데 그때는 자신감이 없더라고요. 그래서 아쉽지만 취소했어요. 근데 이제는 할 수 있을 것 같고 내 자신을 이만큼? 믿을 거예요. 그래서 이번 기회는 전 세계로 한국 문화에 대해서 내 사랑과 열정 열심히 알려줄게요. 기대해주시고 잘 부탁드릴게요. 자, 지금까지 체리카였습니다. 다음에 KInfluencer에서 만나보자. 안녕!